Good evening.
That's a bummer, we can't get rid of the ambient noise. These things.
I need to stop it. I'm going to delete all that. Good evening, everybody. My name is Vinny, and this is After Hours with Vinny at Kenmore Camera. Tonight I want to take a moment and show you how the Canon G1X comes shipped from Canon, and let's see what's in the box here. We've got the warranty card, Canon Solutions disc, nice little get started booklet. Here is the camera. Camera should have, I believe, a lens cap on it. You get your standard USB cable. The battery here is the NB L10 battery that's shipped with the camera. Your travel charger, works anywhere in the world, 100 to 240 volts. A nice little Canon leather strap for your camera. USB cable. Actually, this has been opened before, because this is off it and everything, so that was a complete lie. Cut. So here we are, the Canon G1X. This is the latest addition to Canon's famous G series, very popular line for Canon. What makes this camera unique is it has a larger sensor than the previous G cameras. It has just a slightly larger sensor than your typical micro four thirds camera. It's 14.3 megapixels. It has the newest processor, Canon's Digic 5 processor. It's got a 4x zoom. Equivalent in 35 is about a 28 to 112 millimeters. This camera also does RAW, which is nice, and offers a 14-bit RAW file. The ISO range from this camera is 100 to about 12,800, somewhere around there. It's got a 3-inch LCD screen that articulates, so nice swivel screen that Canon's used before on their G series cameras. This guy shoots 6 frames per second. Also offers full HD. It's got stereo sound and what else? Okay, cut.
And what else?
So now let's take a few moments and look at some of the key features that the Canon G1X offers. Standard type of G series camera will always have a nice little hot shoe. Right on top you have a little switch here for the flash. Just a manual little flash that pops up. Right on the other side of the hot shoe you have your exposure compensation wheel. And that will allow you to adjust exposure down or over something that you might be shooting. Right here is part of the mode wheel, and you have your standard auto mode, scene, some kind of special filters you can use, black and white, sepia, your video mode. Above the auto is more of your creative modes, and the idea of program, time value, aperture value, and full manual. And you have custom 1 and custom 2, so you can customize your camera that way. Your zoom toggles there, shutter on and off. You've got your record button for your video, dedicated record button, a little rest pad for your thumb. This guy right here will help your locks, focus lock, exposure lock. Right here we've got your focus points. You can move through your different focus points. Your little jog wheel here to allow you to navigate or change something within manual or one of those unique settings. ISO, flash, display, macro. Menu buttons here. You can change your metering here. Playback is right there. This guy here is your screen. Rotates around, fancy, and shut it that way. You've got your diopter adjustment right there. Adjust it to your eyesight. And then this is a small button. I honestly can't really remember what it does.
Direct print.
Your direct print. On the front you have your command wheel right there, and your lens comes off, your beauty cover right there. All your ports are on the side right here. You've got your AV out, digital USB port right there. You've got a remote port right there, and mini HDMI right there. The battery is right underneath. This is a standard battery that, well, a battery that Canon's used before in the previous camera, like the G12 has the same battery, lithium ion. And the SD card goes right there. Tripod. This is the special lens hood that Canon makes for the G1X. Just kind of snaps on right there. Ooh, nice. And then this is the lens adapter. The macro light adapter. And this goes on like so. It somehow goes on. Somewhere. There. Just shoot me now. This is the waterproof housing. This goes in like so. Just gonna drop this bad boy in there. Shut it. And then you can do a whole bunch of stuff. Turn it on. Whoops. Cut. Again, my name is Vinny. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch our video here at Kimore Camera. And please feel free to check out our website, kcamera.com. You can also call us toll free if you like, 1-888-485-7447. So thank you. Have a nice night.